Hello friends, let's discuss today what is MSDS. This MSDS stands for Material Safety and Data Sheet. So let's discuss what is MSDS, who prepare this MSDS, and which are the several heads included in this MSDS. MSDS is a document which prepared by the manufacturer or supplier of that particular chemical. And this MSDS includes the physical and chemical properties of that compound, potential hazard that particular compound, safety measures, along with that usage, handling and storage information. So all this information is get included in a one document. It means that this MSDS provides a single reference for all important information about that particular product. This MSDS need to be updated every 3 years by the manufacturer or suppliers. But if any important information found meanwhile, then it should be incorporated immediately before 3 hours. So let's see detailed information about this MSDS. This document particularly included three types of hazards: physical hazards, health hazards, and environmental hazards. So according to the GHS, Purple Book on GHS, there are 16 heads normally followed worldwide while preparing the MSDS. It includes identification, hazard identification, composition on ingredients, first aid measures, firefighting measures, accidental measures, how to handle and how to store, various exposure controls, different physical and chemical properties like melting point, boiling point, refractive index, and so many things, stability and reactivity, toxicological information, ecological information, how to dispose it, how to transport it, any regulatory informations, and any other information. So these are the 16 heads normally included in the MSDS according to this Purple Book on GHS. But in India, only 9 heads are mandatory. These 9 heads are mandatory according to this rule, which created in the year 1989. So let's see how to search MSDS for any compound online, how to download it, how to read it or use for our laboratory work. So this is the Google window and you can type here MSDS for acetone or acetic acid for any compound. Then such type of screen will appear. So several manufacturers produce several documents. Whatever the information in that document is near about same. Let's click on this. So we get such type of safety data sheet, or we can take that MSDS from this site also. So or you can take MSDS from this site also. You can download it, you can print it and other things. So let's see that MSDS data from that lab came of that acetone. Now in this data sheet, as we discussed earlier, there are 16 heads. So first is the identification, name of that compound, its chemical name or IUPAC name, CAS number, this is also very important, and other names. Molecular formula is also given. Second is the hazard identification. So other information related to the its hazard names is given here, that symbols which are also indicated here. Composition information on ingredients which is also given here. First aid measures, what to do when we accidentally inhale it. Very simply, we know that when we inhale acetone, remove the victim from fresh air, remove the victim into fresh air. Respiratory problems, if any, then we should consult to the medical practitioner. So what to do when that chemical comes in contact with your skin, after eye contact, after ingestion, whatever it may be. So these are the several guidelines given by this manufacturer. Firefighting measures are also given. This is a very volatile and explosive compound. Accidental release measures are also given in the 6th section. How to handle, how to store, this also given. Hygiene measures, do not eat, drink or smoke when using this product. We normally follow these instructions. These are the protective equipments: goggles, hand gloves, apron, mask or that shield. Physical and chemical properties, we know that acetone is liquid, it is a colorless, sweet smell, having boiling point 56 degrees Celsius, melting point minus 95 degrees Celsius, and all other physical and chemical information is given here. Stability and reactivity is also given here. Toxicological information is also given here. Ecological information, disposal consideration, these are some instructions or information related to the transport. Other any regulatory information, and the last one is the other information which is related to that particular compound, maybe radioactivity or like that one, which is included in the last section. So normally under these 16 heads, MSDS of any compound is provided by that manufacturer. You can search any compound on online, then you can easily get that MSDS and you can read that instruction and try to follow the safety measures accordingly. Thank you for watching this video.